Hi everyone. When we get new members who have Auto Brewery, one of the things they ask is, how is this treated? Two different ways. One is with natural supplements where we fix the gut dysbiosis, and that's usually done by a licensed provider like a functional medicine provider. And another way is with a MD doctor that will prescribe medication like an antifungal or an antibiotic to kill the fermenting strains of yeast and or bacteria. If you use a medical doctor, sometimes you still have to follow up with a functional medicine provider to fix the underlying cause, which is the gut dysbiosis, because you don't want to relapse. Now, interestingly, we worked with a doctor in Brazil who had a patient with Auto Brewery, and they don't use medication, I'm told, the GI doctors. They heal the gut, all else goes away. And I think there's some truth to that. So they gave us a protocol that we originally dubbed the Brazilian protocol, because it was a list of natural supplements, and it worked not only for the person in Brazil, but it also worked for some of the patients here in the United States. We then later changed the name to the ABS supplement protocol. Now, we shared this with our natural providers or functional medicine doctors in the United States, and they have adopted this methodology, and they also customize it for people with Auto Brewery so that they're not just addressing the gut dysbiosis, the fermenting organisms, but other health conditions that they may have. We found it pretty interesting how well it works. Now, I can't give you statistics or data because each person, is private with their journey. But I can tell you, from the most part, the feedback that we're getting is the natural supplements are working. It's not just the diet, but also like different things that they're lacking in their body and building up their microbiome, right, with the probiotics, but also things like butyrate and akkermansia and other things that are causing their gut dysbiosis, their leaky gut. It's a fascinating world to learn everyone's experience with natural supplements, and we look forward to learning more, not just about the microbiome and the science behind it, but different treatment protocols. So as we get more and more people in our support group that share their experiences with us, we can learn and have more